is a what I eat in a day video. Recently my how I lost weight videos got picked up by YouTube, and a lot of you guys are asking me a lot of questions about what I'm eating, how many calories, and so on and so on. That is why today I'm gonna show you what I eat from the morning to evening. Obviously not every day is the same, and some days I eat so much and the other day I don't eat that much, but you know, this is an average day of my life, which I start with this massive cup of coffee because I love coffee, okay? It's me from the future. I forgot to tell you guys that I'm not a breakfast person. I don't really like breakfast, neither I'm hungry in the morning. I'm usually getting hungry around 12:30, so especially now where I can just eat my lunch, whatever I want, I prefer to eat early lunch and just skip the breakfast. For my lunch today, I'm going for the rice noodles. They are so easy to make. You just need to put them in hot water for around 10 minutes and they are ready to go. And these are all the ingredients I'm gonna use today. Very simple. I'm putting the oil into the pan and I'm adding tofu. And oh, this crunchy sound is so satisfying. While my tofu is frying, I'm preparing some spinach, mix it, and I'm also adding a lot of bean sprouts because I really love them. Mix it all together, and a few minutes after I'm adding some cucumber and tomato, mix it all together again, and then I'm preparing my noodles. I'm putting my noodles into the pan and I mix it all together. And these are all the spices I'm gonna use. As you can see, I'm gonna use soy sauce, garlic, ginger, turmeric, coconut oil, salt, and some spring onion. And this is the finished look. I let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, and there you go. Let's do a taste test. I'm so excited because it looks so nice. But it is just so hot. I don't know how to... maybe I'll do it like this. Okay, ready? It's really good. It's really good. I'm gonna watch Fixer Upper and I'll see you later. And during the day I also had another coffee and some super easy strawberry smoothie, which is basically strawberries and coconut milk. Hi, so it's dinner time, and for dinner today I'm going with this frozen vegetables because A, I love them, and B, I'm quite lazy today. So I'm just gonna fry them in a pan. I'm also gonna add some soya cream, which I'm obsessed, some salt, pepper, and some herbs, and that's it. So I'm adding some oil on the pan, and now I'm just gonna add all the vegetables. You know, it was loud. I recently bought this new pan and I don't really know what to think about it because everything I put there is like immediately so hot. So I don't know, it's just maybe me not being familiar with the wok pans, but I don't know. Anyway, while the vegetables are frying, I'm gonna prepare some small salad on the side. So my salad is done. I just add a lettuce, tomato, cucumber, some walnuts, and I just put on top my favorite sauce recently. Is this French style dressing from the Sainsbury. It's basically just water, oil, mustard, and some vinegar, but it's really nice. And anyway, my vegetables are still frying. I'm gonna soon add some soya cream and we are ready. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add a little bit of this soya cream. Recently I really like it. I discovered it just 3 months ago and I'm just adding it to everything since the past few weeks. So I'm gonna add a little bit of that. And then also my recent current obsession is this herb. And I don't really know what's the English name of it. In Polish we call it kopedek, which is basically the very popular herb to use for everything during spring and summer. And I'm gonna add that. mix it, and we're ready to go. Okay, so that's the finished product. It looks so colorful and so nice. I love it. Let me try it and give you some taste test. Oh my god, it's so good, but so simple. I love it. Seriously. It's really good. Anyway guys, someone is crying here. Why are you crying? I don't know why you're crying. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of what I'm eating, and let me know what you are eating on quarantine. Are you eating more than usual or less than usual? Because for me, it really depends. There are days that, like today, I'm eating relatively healthy, and there are days when I'm just like, you know, eating chocolate all day. But yeah, anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to leave the likes, because this helps with the algorithm. It helps a lot, believe me. I'm almost done, honey, okay? Yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one.